again, the Ferengi is having a hard time with this thing that they call the internet. It's really silly. Ferengi don't get to Earth that often. And he gets on what they call an internet. And as one person, he decided to take his wrench away. But then a funny development has happened with the Ferengi. And he had thoughts that he didn't want to be losing a good friend. So he decided to go ahead and do as they call an olive branch. Since the other person decided to take the wrench away, the Ferengi blocked him and took his wrench away. But after thinking about it for a few minutes, he decided to go ahead and extend his hand out as an olive branch to assume peace, to assume friendship again, to let things just fall and start over again. But sometimes people go to extremes, that when something happens, they get pissed and teed and tick off and decided to go ahead and do stupid stuff that shouldn't be done. As everybody's been saying so far, communications is key. Always communicate when there's a problem before you take any kind of action. It's just common sense. Well, that's all I gotta say about this here. I gotta go back to work. These cadets down here, they don't know they're coming or going and coming. We just can't figure them out. But I did get a little word from high-ranking officers that Commodore Boone sent in a recommendation to Starfleet Command. I might be becoming a captain. Woohoo! That'd be really great. Really great. Well, looks like Commodore Boone's calling you right now. Gotta go. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Commodore Productions.